Going to be doing an injector leak off test on a T1N 2006 Sprinter. So I got some 3/8 clear tubing, 3/8 ID. We're going to cut these in about 5 or 6 inch strips. They don't have to all be equal. You just need to be able to see if the fuel is coming back through the return line in the injectors. You can use a knife, but I'm just going to use these pliers, cut them up. Next, we're going to be taking all these clips out. Great. If you can't find a decent set of pliers, you can use a little prying tool as well, just in case you can't get in there with pliers. That works. Or you can also use a stubby screwdriver. Now we're going to have to disconnect the return line from every injector. Now that the return line has been disconnected from every injector, we need to pinch the return line. So I'm using vice grips with some tape on them because they do have a little bite and I don't want to puncture the tube. Now we install the clear plastic tubing over the injectors. Now we're going to turn the engine over for 10 seconds. Doesn't matter if you go a little less or more. So it doesn't look too bad. So I think we're good when it comes to injectors here. Now just reconnect the return line to the injectors. And make sure you connected the sensor. Also unclamp the return line. Make sure you put the clips back in, because I forgot. Then you want to check for leaks after running the engine. First time I did the test, the engine was cold. Now that it warmed up, I repeated the test and the results are questionable. There is a difference between running it hot or cold. So this is right about at an inch, which I should probably replace the 3